You've seen UDOIT Coatings video on sealing with the clear acrylic sealer or sealing with clear poly glaze or both. In this video, we will cover the fifth and final step for interior floors only, waxing. Skip this video if your project is an exterior or garage application, since wax is not recommended for these areas. Step number 5 is to apply UDOIT Coatings protective wax. The secret to keeping your interior stain floor beautiful for years to come, even with the highest quality sealers like these, is the regular use of a floor finish product. UDOIT Coatings protective wax is very quick and easy to apply and provides a glossy, sacrificial layer which protects the sealer underneath. For best results, initially apply 3 coats of protective wax, which is available in a 1-gallon size. Coverage rates vary, but a good average is about 1,200 square feet per gallon. Since 3 initial coats of wax need to be applied, 1 gallon should be enough for a 400 square foot project. However, you may want to purchase larger quantities for continued maintenance. After rolling out the last coat of sealer, wait 72 hours before applying the first coat of protective wax. Dust and mop the floor first with a neutral cleanser, such as UDOIT Coatings Maintain Clean. Once the floor is dry, spray an even layer of protective wax. Buff until all liquid disappears using a damp terry cloth or microfiber mop, which are available at udoitcoatings.com under the Products tab and Extras submenu. Spray small 10 square foot sections at a time, working your way backwards out of the room, and let dry 30 minutes. Repeat this process until at least 3 coats of protective wax are applied. Then, wait 24 hours before carefully placing heavy items such as furniture on your project. Next up, maintaining stained concrete.